Alright, and we're hooking up his phone. Just giving him the pass key. Bam. Confirm. Your S21 is connected. And let's play something or do something.
Well, it's the first time that Android Auto is coming up on mine, so. Yeah.
Welcome to Android Auto. Look at that. Let's bring the shutter so you can see that.
Do location settings?
Location settings. Ah, we got some programming and setup to do.
There you go.
There we go. Bam.
It's pretty damn good, man.
This is awesome.
It's pretty responsive too. Look at that.
Yep.
That is not bad.
That is very nice.
Not bad.
The Vet just got an upgrade. All right.
Not only that.
Bam.
Illumination works. Backup camera works, which we got.
Backup camera.
We just have to mount it.
Yep. Hey,
All
maybe
right.
maybe you'll get the forward camera too.
It's easy enough. I mean,
Yeah.
You gotta turn that beep thing either down or.
It should have a, maybe there's a dial for it.
It's on or off, I saw, dude. Oh no, this is not what we want.
And there's a way to upgrade the firmware too. Did you check that you're at the latest firmware on this?
No, I did not. We need to check that as well. And how that happens. Yeah, see, it's either on or off. What's the reverse volume?
I have no idea.
What the fuck is that supposed to be?
No idea.
That is annoying, the beeping there, isn't it? Unless it's here. Voice, source volume. Where is it?
I don't know, man. I just helped put the stuff in.
No, good. I mean, it's very responsive.
Very, very cool little radio.
Not bad.